So most of these flowers have bloomed for their night and are done. Oh, I just touched that one and it's ready to do the weird spaghetti thing. It's so weird. I'm telling you guys, if you ever get a chance to take a Cereus peruvianus flower off after it's finished, shall we just continue? See how easy? I just barely touch. And it goes like this. And that's the style and the stigma from inside the flower. These, we have 3 that they're working on opening tonight. And this thing right here, that goes all the way down bloop, 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 to there. So when we break it off, that's the spaghetti slurpy thing that we see come off. Let me see this one. Not quite ready. See, and then we have a few more, 2 more to open tonight. Working on it, and they're so big. Like already, it's like, it looks really big. It's kind of hard to tell, but if you see here's my fingers, like that. But look, yep. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. I think this one's ready. Ready? Nope. You guys. Okay. Well, it's hoping. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, there we go. So that goes all the way through. And we're left with this. It's so wild. It's so cool though. Alright, I might pop back out later and see if these are open anymore, but it's already getting kind of late. I feel like they're opening later tonight than usual for whatever reason. Maybe because it's so hot. Not ready. Not ready. Not ready. Nope. And this one is maybe tomorrow night. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Cereus Spaghetti Monster.